This is a workbook that is open within Microsoft Excel, and this particular workbook consists of 6 worksheets on this sheet tab. So you can see that I have this particular sheet here, which is example 1, 3, week 1. So I have 6 sheets on this sheet tab, and in this Microsoft Excel window I have special tools that I can use to modify and also utilize my available data in this individual worksheet. Now when you look at all these special tools that we have in Microsoft Excel, they are identified under different tabs on the menu bar. And where can we locate the menu bar? It is found below the title bar. So this is the menu bar, and when you get access to these individual tabs, we have these special tools or commands available. So when I get access to the home tab, these are the ribbon that consists of 8 commands. When I go to the insert tab, I have the insert ribbon, and we have these commands available. So when you access these individual tabs, you get access to these commands that are used to modify our available data. Now, because I have these special commands and tools in different tabs, Excel also gives me the room to create my own custom tab so that I can have my individual commands or my most used or frequent use commands in Microsoft Excel. So based on my preference, I can organize the commands that I normally use in Microsoft Excel to manipulate my data in a particular tab, and that tab is called a custom tab. So in this video I am going to show you how to create a custom tab and organize your most used commands in Microsoft Excel. So to do this, I will show you 3 ways to get access to the interface that will guide you to create your own custom tab. The first approach is to place your pointer on any of these tabs that we have on the menu bar. Then you right click. You are going to have these options. Then you select customize the ribbon. This brings out the Excel options dialog box. So this is the interface that is going to guide us to create our own custom tab in Microsoft Excel. The next approach is to move to your quick access toolbar, whether it's found below or above the menu bar. Then you click on this arrow. You have these options. Then you select more commands. This also brings out the Excel options dialog box. Then we select customize the ribbon from this menu. Then we have our beautiful interface. The last option is to click on the file menu, which is the traditional way. Then you choose options, and then we have this options dialog box. Then we select customize the ribbon, and we have access to our beautiful interface. Now, how can we create this custom tab? We have 2 sections here. We move to the second section, and then in this second section we have these options below this window, and then we have new tab, new group, and rename. I'm going to select new tab. This creates a new tab, and then we have this tab available here which says new tab custom. I'm going to select this and choose rename. You can also right click and choose rename from this option. You can name this tab to your preference. Now, after giving your desired name to your tab or your custom tab, you click on OK to apply this particular effect. Now, whenever you create a custom tab, that is, you create a tab and give a name to that particular tab, by default a single group will be created for your custom tab. So below this custom tab we have new group custom. I'm going to select this and also choose rename. In this case, I'm going to give a name to this particular group and then pull out the specific command that is going to be found under this particular group. So I'm going to call this group formatting group, or in short you can also type format. After doing so, you click on OK. So under my custom tab I have a particular group available. I want 4 groups under my custom tab. So the first group is the format group. I'm going to create another group by clicking on this option. Always you have to make sure that your custom tab is selected. Then you choose new group, and this group is going to be found below your custom tab. So I'm going to select this and choose rename, and I'm also going to call this editing. After doing so, you click on the OK button. I'm going to create the next group. and call this review. Then you click on OK. I'm going to create the last group, and this particular group I'm going to call it personal. Then I'm going to click on OK. Now under my custom tab, I have 4 groups created: format, editing, review, and personal. Now I'm going to identify these individual groups and pull out their specific commands. I want to locate them in these groups. So I'm going to select the first group, which is format. Then I'll move to this particular section, and I'm going to choose the commands I want to find them in the format group. So I'm going to select this particular fill color and choose add font, add. I'm going to choose the font size, add, and then also move to format cells, add. So this is just an example in these tutorials. So based on the kind of tools or commands that you use, you pull them into that particular group. So let's assume that these are the commands I want to find under the format group. Then I'm going to maintain that. Then I'll move to the next group, which is editing. I'm going to select. Now I'm going to move to this section and choose cut, add, copy, add. I'm also going to have delete cells, add. I'm going to choose insert cells and also add. So I'm going to have these commands under the editing group. I'll move to the next one, review. Let's assume that if you don't see most of your commands in this section, you can move above this window, choose this arrow, and then I'm going to select all commands. This is going to bring out all commands in Microsoft Excel. Now you can glance through and choose the commands that you want to have for your next group. So let's assume that I'm going to select calculate now, add. I'm going to choose calculator, add. So you go through all these commands and choose the most used commands that you have in Microsoft Excel. That is personal to you, the command that you normally use. So I'm going to choose chart name, add, chart title, and add. I'm also going to have these commands under the review tab. Then I'll move to the personal. I'm going to select, move to this section, and then I'm going to choose clear, add. I'm going to choose background, add. I'm going to choose clear all filters, add. I'm going to choose compatibility checker and also add. So in this case, I have created a custom tab, and I have created 4 different groups under my custom tab, and under each group I have individual commands available. Now when you are done with this operation in this particular beautiful interface, you move below and then we are going to select OK. Now when we get back to our interface of Microsoft Excel, on the menu bar we can see that we have this additional tab created, which is a custom tab, that is BTC channel, and that is Banahene tutorial collections. And on this channel we provide videos on Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Word. We also provide videos on other technological devices and applications. So if it is something that you are very interested in it, I will assure you that you subscribe to this channel, you like on our videos, comment, and also bring out your suggestions and questions on this platform, and we are ever ready to assess and review and reply you positively. So back to this video. When you get access to this tab and click, this provides a ribbon that corresponds to this particular tab, and you can see that I have my 4 groups that I created: format, editing, review, and personal. And when we get access to every group, we have its commands that are located in these individual groups. And what shows that these are groups, after every group we have a vertical line separating each group, and this shows that we have these groups in this particular ribbon. So this is how to create a custom tab, that is a custom preference tab in Microsoft Excel.